All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up? Also subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, today I'm gonna go over some shortcuts on a microwave. These are typical shortcuts that you see universally on microwaves. So we're gonna start from the top, okay? Right here you have the popcorn button. So say for instance you buy some popcorn from the store, right? That comes in the bag. You put it in the microwave and you can press the popcorn button and it should cook it perfectly, all right? Next, we have the beverage button. The beverage button, say for instance, you need to reheat a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or hot chocolate, or for instance, you press that beverage button and it will heat that cup, that beverage up, all right? Next, we have the potato button. You put a potato in here after you poke a couple of holes with a fork or something in the potato, press the potato button, it should cook it perfectly, all right? Now we have the reheat button. Say for instance you have that leftover food, right, that you want to reheat the next day, or say for instance a piece of pizza. Some microwaves have a pizza button. You just put it back in the microwave, press the reheat, should heat it up perfectly. The defrost. Now this is an excellent feature right here. Say for instance you have that steak that you want to thaw out, right? You put it in, you can put the weight of the steak, press that, and it should thaw it out perfectly for you to cook right after. And then there is also the cook time. You can press the cook time button and then come down here and press the time that you want to cook and it should be done. Now those are some quick shortcuts. Of course, there's some more features, but let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks a lot for watching.